What's up, guys? Bobby K here. Welcome to Manifest FX. Guys, if you're interested in trading Forex, this is an excellent trading site, okay? The training is off the wall, man. I was a member of two other sites before this, and they're pretty popular, guys. You know, the training was good, the signals were good, the live sessions, all that stuff was good, guys, but they had two flaws, okay, in my opinion. Okay, the first flaw was that it was very hard for someone to come in there and recruit. Okay, it's very hard to build a business, build a downline in those businesses because it's just an expense, guys. And those trainers in there, they'll be the first ones to tell you that Forex is a learning curve, guys. It's not something you do for 1 month and then all of a sudden you're a Forex trader, you know. Some of those guys will tell you it took them 1, 2, 3 years before they were training consistently and making profit. Okay, so there's no retention. Okay, guys, but Manifest FX, in my opinion, has a solution to that. Let me show you. This is the website, guys. They launched on February 1st, so they're not even launched yet, but the website is open for business. Okay, and they actually have some specials going on now until February 1st. I've been a member 2 weeks already, guys. So they got the same thing as the other sites, right? They got, they got the educational platform. They give you a harmonic scanner, which I haven't got yet, but that's an extra. They didn't have that at the other site. They give you signals, right? This is the Trading Ideas group. That's actually signals, man. The signals have been on fire, guys. And they also give you something else, though, guys. This is where the retention comes in, okay? They give you an AI software. And what's cool about this isn't something that you hand your money over to someone and they're trading for you, and then 6 months later they're gone with everybody's money. You deposit the money into your broker account, and you connect to the software, and it trades on your behalf, okay? Yesterday, in the 24-hour period, the software I was connected to did 9% or 8.7%, something like that, you know. I don't like to make income claims, guys. I'm not a Forex expert. I'm not an accountant or anything like that, guys. But that's history. That's what happened. Okay. I'm going to show you something else here too, guys. They were testing this actually for a year before they released it, and they have the results here. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is the results they got last year. You see 32% in January, 28, 42, 29, 50%. Okay, I did the average of this. It came out to 35%, a little over the 35%, decimal point over. Okay, so I found this thing online. Actually, somebody posted this in one of the groups. It's a Forex compounding calculator. So let's say you put $500 in the account. Right, I put 30%. It actually did 35% last year. I put 30%. And I put for 2 years. And you press calculate. And at the end of 2 years, you'll have $271,400. Okay, I hope you can see that. But I'll put the link to the calculator below anyway. You can get in and mess around with that. So this is a game changer, guys. You're actually earning money while you sleep. And now you can take your time, and take your time learning Forex. Go into the sessions, do it during your time, you know, and it does away with that problem of, retention. Man, people aren't going to leave here when they're making, 30%. You're not going to make 30% a month on your money sitting in the bank. It'll take you 30 years, 25, 30 years on a savings account to make 30%. So anyway, guys, I thought that was cool, and this is a game changer. Like I said, it has everything else the other groups had, except plus that one more big bonus. All right, we also have a Facebook group, guys. I'm going to put my Facebook link below the video that I can add you to if you want to get in there and see people sharing their results and talking about it if you want to get your questions answered. I'll also put my email address if you have any questions for me about it. It just started like 2 weeks ago. I've been a member pretty much since day one. Okay, I also built a website for this, guys, for my team. Let me show you quick what that looks like. It's an affiliate site. And what you do is you just go there and plug your link. I'll show you that. Okay, it's going to have a presentation. It's not really finished yet, guys. I'm a bit of a tinkerer. So I'm going to change these videos and change the wording. But the site is live and it's working. Okay, it's online and it's working. So what you do is you send someone to the site. This will be your link right here. All right, so when you share that link, they'll be coming to your copy of the site. You join here. Then you just put your user ID here and press save. And then when you share your link, they'll be signing up under you. Now, there's something important I want to tell you too, guys. I don't want to show it on camera. But there's an income stream here that people are overlooking. Okay, I put it in step 1. Okay, I want you to come and see that. Okay, don't miss that. It can be a significant amount of money, guys. I actually took a screenshot of what happened for me in the two. This is besides the AI. This is besides trading. There's another source of income here that people are overlooking. I want you to come take a look at that. Okay, and tell me what you think. It's significant, man, like I said. All right, and like I said, we got the Facebook group. All right, this is Manifest FX. Come check out the website. I got one more thing I want to show you real quick. I made a splash page for my team. Okay, this is going to be shareable too. All you do is, I don't know about this video yet, but all this stuff will be ready by the 1st when we launch, guys. They're coming out with promotional videos for the company, so I'll probably put those videos here. I just stuck videos here as placeholders, but you'll just change the back of the link. You just copy the link out of the browser and put your user ID at the back of the link where the other one was, and it'll take them to your sign-up page. So that's another bonus for my team, guys. I'm also thinking about doing a rotator. You know, if I do, it'll just be for my directs. They won't have to promote it or anything. Don't ever join anything because of a rotator, guys. This is a good business. You're going to make money while you're sleeping. I'm thinking about doing a rotator for my directs. And it'll be something that I just promote as another bonus, you know. So anyway, guys, that's it. And you got the training. You got the AI software. You got retention. You're going to be a Forex expert. And you're gonna be there with Manifest FX, guys. Bobby K signing out. I'll see you inside, guys. All the links will be below. Hit me up on Facebook. I'll get you into that group. You can see what's actually going on with the software. Okay, guys? I'll see you inside.